What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you clicked on today's video, welcome to my channel. I'm really glad that you're here. In today's video, as you can see from the title, I wanted to go over the new equipment that I have been using to film my cooking videos. A lot of you had mentioned and commented that you have seen an improvement in how I film and just how the angles of the videos are looking, the lighting, and just overall presentation of the videos. And I fully agree because I did upgrade all of my equipment. Before I used to use my Google Pixel 3 phone, which I upgraded to a Google Pixel 6, but I still don't use my phone anymore. I do use my new camera, which I bought months ago, and that is the Canon M50 EOS camera. It is a wonderful camera. It captures great footage and just amazing pictures. So I'll be sharing everything with you guys today. I'll be comparing the video footage from my camera versus my phone, so you guys can get a better idea of just the color vibrancy and just the quality of using a camera versus using your phone. And also I'll be going over my tripods. I have a big tripod with about a 10-inch or 12-inch ring light, and also a small tripod that I use to put on my countertop for more close-up shots of the food footage that I'm trying to capture for you guys. I hope you guys get some value out of today's video and you get to learn what kind of equipment that you can use to better your channel or just start your YouTube journey if you are new to YouTube. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join the foodie family, or if you just like to learn about equipment and YouTube in general. And do hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video, which is once a week. And now let's get straight into the video. All the items that I'm going to be talking about today will be linked down below in the description box. I just want to put a disclaimer out there that all those links are affiliate links, which just means that if you click on that link and purchase from those links, I will be making a very small commission. It's a teeny tiny commission, which just means that it helps to build my channel and for me to keep creating for you guys, and you guys are just supporting my little channel here. Let's first go over my new camera, which is the Canon M50 Mark II mirrorless camera. The lens of the camera is interchangeable with other lenses that you can purchase separately, but I use the lens that came in the camera kit. You don't necessarily need to use a different lens, and this I bought from Amazon for about $600, and in the package also came this Rode microphone, which really helps to enhance the audio in my videos, especially when I do my intros and my outros. It has a touchscreen viewfinder, which has helped me tremendously. You can change the focus of the lens and zoom in and out as you need. So really nice lightweight camera that shoots amazing quality footage, whether that's video or photos. And next I'm just showing you my Google Pixel 6 phone, not because I use it, but because in the next footage I'm going to show you a comparison in video quality between what this phone captures and what my Canon M50 captures. I used to use my Google Pixel 3, but I don't have that phone anymore. But you can always go back to my older videos before September of 2021 and see the difference in quality in my videos. So let's do a side-by-side comparison between the phone and the camera quality, and say hello to my little Wonder Woman figurine also. You can see on the left is my Google Pixel 6 capturing the figurine in 1080p format, which is not bad at all. And on the right side is my Canon M50 footage, also in 1080p format. Both my phone and the camera can also capture video footage in 4K quality. My Canon M50 definitely to me has a sharper video quality. The color is better and more real versus the phone footage, which gave it a bluish tint to the footage, which I don't prefer in my videos. I like seeing the subject that I'm capturing to look like the color that it actually is versus it automatically changing or adjusting the lighting. So definitely for me, I prefer using my camera for my videos, but the phone does a pretty good job and the quality is almost as good as the camera. I will leave the specs of the phone camera and the Canon camera in the description box below, so check that out for a full comparison. Next up is my tripod, which is very necessary in my opinion. You can see it comes with a ring light, and this is the camera holder in the middle. So you can just place your camera in the middle and screw it tightly so it doesn't fall. This tripod also has a phone holder, as you can see, and it can be twisted around for the orientation of the video, whether you film in portrait or landscape format. It of course has the base with the 3 legs that are adjustable, and also the main tripod that you can adjust the height of, whether you want your tripod to be on a higher level or whether you want to put it at a lower level. And on the top is a lever that you can turn to adjust the angle of the footage you want to capture. And I use this option a lot, especially when I want to focus on certain angles, whether I want to show the angle looking from the top or, you know, from like an aerial type view. And this is the little remote that is attached to it. You have the on and off button, of course, and then you have the button to turn on the ring light, and also the plus and minus signs to adjust the brightness of the light. So let me turn on the light for you and show you the different options. There's the natural lighting, the warm lighting, and also the bright fluorescent one that I barely use. I mostly use the natural and the warm shades, and you can adjust the brightness levels by pressing the plus or minus signs depending on how you want the lighting to be in your video. If you're working in natural daylight, you can use this feature to decrease the light setting, or if you're working with not a lot of natural light like I do, this feature helps a lot to brighten the footage that I capture for you guys. So this is how the phone looks on the tripod, and this is the portrait orientation, which is great for Instagram Reels. We can also change that to landscape orientation, which has a better pixel ratio for a full range YouTube video. And then I just want to show you guys how my camera is set up on the tripod. It is pretty securely installed, as you can see, and also with the ring light, just to show you guys how the setup looks when I am ready to film my cooking or other types of videos. I love this ring light so much, and the camera together, they are the perfect pair for me, and they both have really helped me out and made my life easier when it comes to filming. And then I also have a small tripod that I use for a lot of close-up on the countertop footage to really get the angles that help you see what I'm doing. This I got from Amazon for about $17, which is very, very affordable. And it also has the same type of screw-on feature for your camera to securely sit on. And I also like this small tripod because I can easily rotate the ball on its axis to get the perfect angle that I'm looking for to create my content. And here is just how the camera looks on the small tripod. I'm using my Google Pixel 6 to film this part, obviously. As you can see, the legs of the tripod can be adjusted to be higher or completely down, as you see here, to get a more close-up straight angle, which I love for my videos. So this little cute tripod has also helped me a lot, and this is a great purchase if you have a small channel or if you're just starting off on YouTube. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got some value and you learned something new about using a tripod, or just using a camera if you have one, or just using your phone. Whatever you have at home, you can just start using it and start creating content of your choice. You don't have to feel pressure that you have to get a camera. This video is definitely not about me selling you guys a new camera or a new tripod or even a new phone. Whatever you guys have, whatever type of equipment it may be, start using it and start creating content that you want to create. You can't think about, oh, you need to get a new equipment or you need better lighting and everything. Of course, those things come in time and they improve the type of content that you're creating and just the overall quality of things. But that does not mean that you have to sit around and wait for the opportunity to purchase new equipment. You can use whatever you guys have. I have been on YouTube now for like a year and a half, and for the first year I used my phone, and I always told myself, wherever I am after the first year, whether I have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or not, I'm going to get myself a camera and better lighting equipment so that I can improve my videos and just improve my own content. I am not competing with anybody else, and neither should you. You should just try to improve yourself and better yourself instead of comparing yourself to other YouTube stars or YouTubers. Just start creating the content that you want to create, and trust me, just stay consistent and disciplined and you will go far. I said this in my previous video also, where I was using my phone and just a regular old tripod. And honestly, the best thing that I did for myself during quarantine and during the whole COVID pandemic was starting my YouTube channel. And I highly encourage you guys, if you guys are thinking of starting a YouTube channel or you are feeling that you're not motivated enough, just keep going and stay consistent. I promise you that YouTube will recognize the work that you are putting in. So consistency and discipline is the key to being successful on YouTube here. So definitely keep going and don't feel pressure about getting a new camera or a new tripod. Just use whatever you have and just create the content that you want. But if I did help you guys today and motivated you to get new equipment, then I hope I helped you guys out. All the links will be in the description box below. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.